guys, so for today's video I decided to do a makeup look, and this is going to be like an everyday makeup look that I do if I go to some places. Without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, let's get started with this Maybelline Age Wine sunscreen. I'm going to be applying it under eye and my forehead, and I'm going to be using my beauty blender just to blend it all out. And moving on to my concealer, I'm using the same Maybelline Age Wine in the shade Light. And the next would be my foundation from Shiseido. This is the foundation stick sunscreen. Also, this is waterproof, so you can use this especially if you're heading to the beach, you're doing water sports, and has SPF 36, so you're fully protected. And it makes my skin really hydrated and at the same time looking flawless while you're on the beach. And to set everything up, I'm going to be using my Mercier translucent powder to set my makeup. I like this powder because it sets the makeup so nicely and it's not cakey. And moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be using my Lisa Frank's matte bronzer, and I'm just going to be applying it on the hollows of my cheeks using my angle brush, and also to my temples and my forehead. I'm just going to be very careful to blend it all out. I'm going to be getting my blush from Maybelline, and I'm going to be applying it to the apples of my cheeks. And next I'm going to be applying my highlighter, and this is from Dirty Little Secret, and I'm not sure the shade, but it's a pinkish highlighter. And also I'm going to be using another highlighter from Anastasia Beverly in the shade Marshmallow. And to moisturize my lips, I'm going to be applying my Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Lip Balm.
What we do here is go back.
Next up, I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow, which is also from Lisa Frank's in the shade Stargazing. And I'm going to be applying it all over my lid. And next up, I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow from the Balm. It's in the shade Willkommen, and I'm going to be applying that on my crease just to give a smoky eye effect. And for mascara, I'm going to be using my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and I'm going to be applying it to my top lashes, and yeah, just glide it all on. And to define my eyes, I'm going to be using my Drawing Eyebrow Pencil from Etude House. And yes, I use my eyebrow pencil to define my eyes. And I'm going to be applying it to the bottom lashes. And it's in the shade 1, so it's the darkest shade. And for the lips, I'm going to be using my Real Her in the shade Mauve. And this is my first time using this lipstick, and I'm so happy because it's so hydrating. At the same time, I love how rosy and coralish it looks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make videos like this. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!